Most people go through life on autopilot, reacting to stimuli without ever analyzing their own operational data. This is a terminal flaw in self-management. If you are not logging, reviewing, and optimizing your daily output, you are not living, you are merely drifting. Today, we install the Daily Mind Audit to transform your journaling from a sentimental habit into a high-leverage business system. The constraint is cognitive drift. Without a formal capture mechanism, your best insights, bottlenecks, and emotional triggers dissolve into the background noise of daily activity. To fix this, you must implement the Daily Audit. This is not a diary for your feelings. It is a clinical log of your system performance. Document what worked, where your focus failed, and identify the specific variables that caused your latency. Next, execute trend analysis. At the end of every week, review your logs to identify patterns. Are you consistently losing focus at 2 p.m.? Are specific people or tasks consistently triggering emotional instability? When you see the data laid out in your own handwriting, these abstract problems become tangible engineering challenges. You stop blaming your mood and start fixing your schedule. Finally, practice actionable iteration. Every audit must conclude with a correction protocol. If the audit reveals a flaw, you must define the change you will make the next day. If the audit does not lead to an iteration, it is not an audit. It is just data collection. Use your journal to architect your own evolution. Stop being a victim of your own uncontrolled mind. Start auditing your daily operations with the cold, objective precision of a systems engineer. When you document your life, you own your life. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total cognitive control. Let it.